featuring 9th Gen Core i5 9400F desktop processor and GT 1030 graphics, you'll get performance and powerful next-generation graphics. 8GB DDR4 RAM will allow your computer to run at a faster optimal speed and higher FPS in games. The 480GB SSD will provide plenty of storage for all your favorite games and content. What's more, based on the customer's suggestions, we install the graphics cards, drives and Windows 10 Pro on PC. Everything is ready, just turn on and play it. System, 9th Gen Core i5 9400F, H310, 8GB DDR4, 480GB SSD, genuine Windows 10 Pro 64-bit graphics, GT 1030, 1x ME 1x DVI-D, 1x DisplayPort connectivity, 4x USB 3.2 Gen 1 vertical bar 1x RJ45 network Ethernet 10/100/1000, USB Wi-Fi, audio, 7.1 channel special feature, window side case panel, RGB case lighting vertical bar 5 RGB fans with 16 colors 1 year parts and labor, free lifetime tech support.